For decades, side jobs meant trading hours for cash. But right now, AI side hustles are quietly replacing traditional side jobs. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we break down simple systems that create real income. If you have ever tried a traditional side job and felt exhausted, underpaid, or stuck trading time for money, this will explain why that model is breaking down. This video will show you why this shift to AI-powered side hustles is happening, who benefits, and how you can position yourself on the right side of it. Traditional side jobs all share one core flaw. They rely on the time-for-money exchange. Think about the most common ones: driving for rideshare, food delivery, retail shifts, or tutoring by the hour. When you stop working, the income stops immediately. These jobs were never designed to scale. They were designed as temporary fixes. AI side hustles flip this entire model. Instead of selling hours, you sell outputs. Outputs like content, designs, scripts, workflows, and automated services. With tools like ChatGPT and Canva, one person can now produce what used to require a small team. This is about amplifying human effort. There are three main reasons AI side hustles are taking over. Let's look at them. First, AI multiplies your time. What once took 5 hours can now take 15 minutes, meaning faster delivery and more output without working longer hours. Second, AI creates scalable income. One prompt can generate dozens of paid deliverables, and one automated workflow can run every day without supervision. AI side hustles remove the income ceiling. Third, AI lowers the skill barrier. You no longer need years of experience. AI assists with writing, design, and research. Execution speed and system design matter more than credentials. Here is what this looks like in the real world with concrete examples. People are offering AI-powered Fiverr gigs that deliver in minutes and running YouTube channels without filming or editing. Beginners are selling AI templates, scripts, and content packages. These are systems, and systems scale. You do not need to quit your job tomorrow, but you do need to stop relying on side jobs that cannot scale. AI side hustles give you leverage, and leverage is what creates freedom. The earlier you learn these systems, the further ahead you will be. I put together a free AI Money Starter Kit with beginner workflows. You will find the link below. Subscribe to Purposefully AI for step-by-step videos on which AI side hustles actually work.